Hello learners, you all are welcome to senior secondary level mathematics program. Dear learners, we are discussing about differentiation of different functions, particularly the algebraical functions, trigonometry functions, logarithm function and exponential function. Now we will discuss that is very important aspects in calculus, that is applications of derivatives. That means I can say what are the different applications that can be used in mathematics as well as in our day to day life. And now we will discuss one of the very important aspects of application of derivative, that is tangent and normal of the curve. When talking about tangent and normal of the curve, first we must have to understand the slope of tangent and normal. That is, suppose I can say, suppose y equal to f of x, y equal to f of x. Okay. When talking about y equal to f of x and of the curve, that is tangent, I can say T-A-N-G-E-N-T, that is tangent. When talking about tangent, that means you already know what exactly tangent is. Okay. Let that y equal to f of x, y equal to f of x be the curve. When talking about tangent, tangent means you already know that is slope of the tangent, that means tan theta. Okay. I can say slope of the tangent of the curve y equal to f of x at the point P x1 y1, that is I can write that is tangent, I can say slope of tangent which is equal to tan theta, that means I can say that is dy by dx at the point x1 y1. Okay. That is the slope of the tangent. When talking about slope of the normal, remember when talking about slope of the normal, that is very important thing, that is I can say slope of the normal, that means I can say slope of the normal, you already know slope of the normal, that means I can say tan, here tan, that means tan alpha, I can say tan alpha, which is equal to tan pi by 2 plus theta. Okay. That means tan alpha equal to tan pi by 2 plus theta, which is equal to, you know that, minus cot theta. Okay. So minus cot theta, which is you already know that minus 1 by tan theta. Okay. So when we are talking about tan alpha, which equal to I get minus 1 by tan theta, that means slope of the normal, that means I can say, that means tan alpha which is equal to minus 1 by tan theta, we already know that is dy by dx. So that means minus 1 divided by dy by dx at the point P x1 y1, that means I can say that means minus dx by dy. Okay. So we can say that means slope of the tangent which is equal to tan theta, and it is nothing but the derivative of the function of the curve, that is dy by dx at the point P x1 and y1. When talking about slope of the normal, which is equal to minus 1, I can say minus 1 dy by dx, or I can say minus dx by dy, because dy by dx becomes minus 1 of dx by dy. Okay, which is the slope of the normal. Okay. These are the two important formula, that is slope of the tangent, another is the slope of the normal. Now we will be find out the slope of tangent and normal to the curve, that is x square plus x cube plus 3xy plus y square equal to 5 at the point 1 1. That means point means x1 equal to 1, y1 equal to 1. So what we will do first? We have to differentiate this function. Now what we will do? When we differentiate x square with respect to x, you will get 2x plus I can say 3x square plus 3 xy. Okay, xy means first into derivative of seconds. So, I can write first into dy by dx plus y dx by dx which equal to 1. So, I can write plus y square when we derivate 2y, I can write 2y into dy by dx which is equal to 0. Okay, because 5, the derivative of 5 which is equal to 0. So, I can write now what we will do here, put the value of x equal to 1, y equal to 1. Okay. When putting the value, I can write putting the value x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. What you will find? You will find that is 2, I can write 2 into 1, okay, because x ka value 1, that means 2 plus 3 into, I can write dy by dx, because the value of x is 1. So, I can write dy by dx plus y equal to 1 which is plus 2 dy by dx which is equal to 0. Okay. Now, what we will find? You see, now what we will find? 2 plus 3, okay, that is 5 plus 3 dy by dx plus 3 into 1, that is 3, plus I can say 2 dy by dx which is equal to 0. Okay. So, what we will find? Now, you will see 5 I can write, again I can write, suppose 5 plus 3 dy by dx plus 2 dy by dx. That means, when we will be add two things, that means here what we will do, here 3 dy by dx, 2 dy by dx will be add which equal to 5 dy by dx. I can write 5 dy by dx plus 8 equal to 0. So, again I can write 5 dy by dx which is equal to minus 8. Okay. Now, dy by dx, that means dy by dx which is equal to minus 8 by 5. What will you find? Minus dy by dx. Remember, when talking about that dy by dx equal to minus 8 by 5, which is nothing but I can say that is the slope of the tangent. Okay. That means we get dy by dx equal to minus 8 by 5, which is nothing but the slope of the tangent to the curve x square plus x cube plus 3xy plus y square equal to 5. Now, we are going to find slope of the normal. Dear learners, we have already get that is dy by dx which equal to minus 8 by 5. Okay. When talking about slope of the normal, which is slope of the normal, that means I can write, that means minus 1 by dy by dx. That means I can write minus 1 by minus 8 by 5. So, I can very simply write which equal to minus 1 into minus 5 by 8. So, the result will be which equal to 5 by 8. Very simply I can say the slope of the normal which is equal to 5 by 8 to the curve, that is x square plus x cube plus 3xy plus y square equal to 5. Okay, this is the way to find out slope of tangent and normal by using the formula. Very simply, slope of the tangent which is equal to dy by dx, slope of the normal, that means minus 1 by dy by dx. This is the two important formula. Now, we will be move when we discuss about, that means equation of tangent and the normal to the curve. It has also two different formula. When talking about that equation of tangent, remember, when talking about equation of a line, we already know equation of a line which is passing through the point x1 y1, suppose, then equation of the line with slope m which is equal to, we already know that is y minus y1 which is equal to m into x minus x1. That means, suppose this is the suppose equation 1. Equation 1 represent, that is equation of a line with slope m with the point x1 and y1. Okay. Now, when talking about equation of a tangent, equation of the tangent which is equal to y minus y1, that means that is dy by dx into, I can say, x minus x1. That is known as, which is known as equation of the tangent. Equation 2, which is the equation of the tangent, that is the equation of the tangent. That means I can say, very simply I can say y minus y1 which is equal to dy by dx into x minus x1. Okay. This is known as equation of the tangent. When talking about equation of the normal, very simply I can say, that means y minus y1 which is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx, okay, minus 1 divided by dy by dx into x minus x1, x into x minus x1. This is known as, I can say, this is the, I can say, equation of the normal, okay, and this is known as equation of tangent. So, these are the two important formula when talking about equation of the tangent, that is y minus y1 which is equal to dy by dx into x minus x1. When talking about equation of the normal, that is y minus y1 which is equal to minus 1 dy by dx into x minus x1. These are two important formula, that is equation of the tangent, and second one is the equation of the normal to the curve. Right now, we will be take an example by using this formula how we have to find out equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. Dear learners, we get that dy by dx, the value of dy by dx, that is minus 4 by 3. So, I can write that dy by dx, that value is minus 4 by 3. Right now, we are going to find out equation of the tangent. Okay. When we talking about equation of the tangent, that formula is, you already know that y minus y1 which is equal to, that means I can say dy by dx into x minus x1. Okay. And you already know that the value of x1 equal to 4 and y1 equal to 3, because the point is, that is x1 and y1. So, I can write, that means I can very simply I can write y minus 3, because y1 equal to 3. So, y minus 3 which is equal to minus 4 by 3 into x minus x1, that value equal to 4. So, I can write, that means y minus 3 into 3, because this will be multiply, which is equal to minus 4 into x minus 4. Okay. When we simplify, you will get 3y minus 9 which equal to minus 4x plus, I can say, 16. So, that implies I can write, that means 3y plus 4x which equal to 16 plus 9 which equal to 25. So, very simply I can say equation of the tangent which is equal to 4x plus 3y which equal to 25. 4x plus 3y which is equal to 25, that is the, I can say, that is the, I can say, equation of the tangent. Okay. Right now, we will be moved to the equation of the normal. When talking about equation of the normal, the formula is very simply that y minus y1 which is equal to d minus 1 divided by, I can say, minus 1 divided by Again I can write very simply, I can write the equation of the normal to the curve which is equal to y minus y1 which is equal to minus 1 into dx by dy into I can say x minus x1. Okay. So, simply I can say that means very simply I can write here y minus y1, that means y minus 3 which is equal to minus 1 and dx by dy. We have already get dy by dx equal to minus 4 by 3. So, dx by dy, that value equal to minus 3 by 4, okay, into x minus x1 value equal to 4. So, when you simplify, you will get that y minus 3 which equal to 3 by 4, because minus 1 which is equal to plus 1, and plus 1 with multiply with 3 by 4, you will get 3 by 4 into x minus I can say 4. Again we will simplify, you will get 4y minus 12 which equal to 3x plus 3x plus 3 into 4, I can write that is 3x, that means that plus into minus 12. So, you will get very simply, again I am repeating, that is 4y minus 3x, okay. That means I can write 4y minus 3x which is equal to minus 12 plus 12, and the right hand side that will be 0. That means I can write 4y minus 3x which is equal to 0. This is the I can say equation of the normal to the circle x square plus y square equal to 25 at the point 4 and 3. That means the point is x1 is 4 and y1 equal to 3. When talking about this is the we can say equation of the tangent and normal. Now we will be see by the using that tangent and a normal, there is a theorem is based which is very prominent theorem, and we call as a Rolos theorem. Rolos theorem is talking that statement is very important. The statement is simply, if f be the real value function, I can say f be the real value function and which is defined in the closed interval a b, such that first condition, there is a 3 different condition. The first condition is f, that means function is continuous in the closed interval a b. Second condition is f is differentiable, very important thing, f is differentiable in the open interval a b. That means the function is continuous in the interval, closed interval, and differentiate, that means differentiable in the open interval a b. And third condition, that very most important condition, which is called f of a equal to f of b, then there exists at least one point, that point is f dash c, I can say f dash c equal to 0. Okay. That means very simply Rolos theorem is talking, if the function f is the real value function which is continuous within the closed interval a b and differentiable with the open interval a b, and function of a which is equal to function of b, then there exists a point c within the open interval a b such that f dash c equal to 0. This is the statement, and the statement based on this statement we will be take a function and we have to check whether this function is satisfy the Rolos theorem or not. Dear learners, take an example and we have to check that whether this function satisfy through the Rolos theorem, and that function is given, f of x which is equal to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. If you will solve this function, you will get f of x which is equal to, I can write x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Again I can write that when we multiply x into x minus 1, you will get x square minus x, again we will be multiply with x minus 2. So, now again we will multiply, that means I can say x square into x minus 2 minus x into x minus 2. First thing here is we have to solve that equation. So, you will get that is x cube minus I can say 2x square and that is minus x square plus I can say 2x. Okay. Now, I can write x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. This is the equation. Okay. So, you see we have to check that very important thing is we have to check whether the Rolos theorem is satisfying or not satisfying, and we have already know there is the three important condition. The first condition, condition 1 when we will check, that means very simply I can say x function is x into x minus 1 x minus 2. So, I can write suppose again I can write that function is f of x which is given x into x minus 1 into x minus 2, where x is element of 0 2. Okay. And second thing is when we will solve, you already see that value we have already get, that means x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. Okay. So, I can write x cube minus 3x square plus 2x and x element of closed interval 0 2. Now, we have to check the first condition. You know that first condition is the function should be continuous with the closed interval 0 2. I am talking about continuous, and you already know this function x cube minus 3x square plus 2x is a polynomial function, and all polynomial functions are continuous. Hence, the function f of x is continuous with the closed interval 0 2. Again, we know that all polynomial functions, that means all continuous functions are differentiable. So, the first condition is satisfied, that is f of x, I can say f of x is continuous. The first condition is continuous with x element of 0 2. When talking about the second condition is talking f of x is also differentiable. Why it is differentiable? You already know, because all polynomial function which are continuous and continuous function are differentiable. So, I can say f of x is the differentiable with the open interval, I can say upon x element of 0 2. When we are talking about third condition is f of a. Suppose I can write f of a, that means f of 0. When we put f of 0 into 0 minus 1, you will get f of a, which is I can write f of 0, that value equal to 0. Okay. Again, I will be put suppose f of b, that is f of 2, that is function of 2, which is equal to, in place of x, when we put the value of 2, you will find f of b equal to 0. So, I can write f of a, which is equal to f of b, which is equal to 0. That means three conditions, the Rolos theorem, the three conditions are satisfied. When talking about three conditions are satisfied, so there exists a point C, we know that f dash c equal to 0. So, now we will be check, suppose you already know that function is f of x, that is x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. Okay. Now, when we are talking about f dash c, that means f dash c means first we have to find f dash x. F dash x means you already know, when talking about x cube, that derivative is 3x square minus 6x plus 2. Okay. When talking about f dash c, it is very simply I can write 3c square minus 6c plus 2. That means in place of x I have written value of c. Now, what you find? You see this is the quadratic equation. It form a quadratic equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, okay, where a, b not equal to 0. So, it is the quadratic equation when we are going to find out root of the equation. That means very simply I can say that the value of c equal to minus b means minus of minus 6 plus minus b square, that means 6 square minus 4 a, that means c, that means 4 into 3 into 2, 4 into 3 into 2, that square root divided by 2a. When talking about 2a means 2 multiply with 3. So, I can write minus 6 plus minus 6 square, that is 36 minus 24, that is 12, square root of 12 divided by 2 into 3, which is equal to 6. So, again I can, when you will solve, you will find minus 6 plus minus square root of 12 divided by, that is 6. So, I can write minus 6 by 6, that means I can say minus of minus 6, that is plus 6, you will get that is plus 6. So, minus 6, in place of minus 6 I can write minus of minus 6, which equal to plus 6, that means 6 plus minus 12 by 6, that value you will get 1 plus, because 6 by 6 the value is 1. So, I can write 12 square root of 12, I can write that value equal to 1 by root 3, that means plus minus 1 by root 3. So, there will be find two different value, that value equal to, one value equal to 1 plus 1 by root 3, another value equal to 1 minus 1 by root 3. Both the value, the 1 plus 1 by root 3 and 1 minus 1 by root 3, which is lies between the point I can say 0 and 2. So, I can say the three condition satisfy, and f dash c, that means which is also the 2 point 1 plus 1 by root 3, 1 minus 1 by root 3, which is I can say belongs to the within the point 0, 2. So, I can say this function, that means f of x which equal to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2, that is x cube minus 3x square plus, that is plus 2x, which is satisfy the Rolos theorem. I can say the Rolos theorem is satisfied. So, these are the very important, I can say very important applications of tangent and normal, particularly tangent to the curve, tangent to the, we can say normal to the curve, and Rolos theorem also satisfy. So, I can very simply I can say that we can verify the Rolos theorem, Rolos functions by, I can say, by using the application of derivative, that is tangent and normal. And right now very important things will be discussed, that is the another applications verify of Lagrange's mean value theorem, same manner, but the different theorem, that part will be discussed in our next session, we can be discussed. And dear learners, this is the one of the application, that part we have discussed. The other applications will be discussed in our next session, and you must have to enjoy what we have discussed today. And I request you, you must have to go through our textbook, and also always watch our e-Vidya program, that is channel number 12 for the senior secondary program, and regular login our, you can say our website, that is www.nios.sc.in. Thank you learners.